If you want to transfer files between iCloud Drive and OneDrive, don't worry. Whether you're switching cloud storage services, creating backups, organizing documents, or simply moving files between Apple and Microsoft accounts, the process is much easier than many people think. You do not need advanced technical skills, and in most cases, you can transfer your files using a web browser or your computer's file manager. The good news is that moving files between iCloud Drive and OneDrive only takes a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to transfer files between iCloud Drive and OneDrive in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open your web browser and sign in to your iCloud account by visiting the iCloud website. After signing in, click on iCloud Drive to access your stored files and folders. Take a moment to locate the files you want to transfer. If you only need to move a few files, select the documents, photos, videos, or folders you want to transfer and click the Download button. The files will be saved to your computer. Depending on the file size and internet speed, the download may take a few seconds or several minutes. Once the download is complete, open a new browser tab and sign in to your OneDrive account. After OneDrive loads, navigate to the folder where you want the transferred files to be stored. Now, click the Upload button near the top of the OneDrive page. Choose either Files or Folder depending on what you downloaded from iCloud Drive. Select the downloaded items from your computer and begin the upload process. OneDrive will transfer the files into your cloud storage automatically. Another useful tip is checking available storage space before transferring large files. If your OneDrive account does not have enough free space, the upload may fail. You can review your available storage inside your OneDrive account settings before starting the transfer. For photos and videos, make sure the files have fully downloaded from iCloud before uploading them to OneDrive. Interrupting the download process may result in incomplete or corrupted files. If you're transferring very large folders, it may be helpful to move them in smaller batches. This makes it easier to track progress and reduces the chance of upload errors caused by internet interruptions. You should also keep your browser, iCloud application, and OneDrive application updated to the latest versions. Updates improve synchronization performance, security, and compatibility between cloud services. After the upload is complete, open OneDrive and verify that all files have transferred successfully. You can compare file counts and folder structures to ensure nothing was missed during the process. So, that's the easiest way to transfer files between iCloud Drive and OneDrive in 2026. The main steps are downloading files from iCloud Drive, uploading them to OneDrive, or using the desktop synchronization folders to drag and drop files directly between the two services. Most users can complete the transfer within a short time using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more cloud storage tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.